I've been a big fan of this wireless, touchless thermometer. There's just one button on it. It's easy to use. You've got two AAA batteries under the handle there. Clip that back on. Easy to clean. The display is up here. We're going to use our little test monkey here to get our temperature. And as you can, well, with a person, you can get the temperature right off their forehead. With the little test monkey, I got to poke it at them. But as you can see, the temperature lights up there. You've got a couple of sensors. One of them is a proximity sensor, and the other is the thermostat, or the thermometer, I guess. And as you can see on a human, it works pretty easy, but it'll work with other warm-blooded things as well. And super easy to clean, super easy to take with you. I like it because it's easy to include in a kit, in an aid kit, first aid kit, or beyond first aid type of kit. And if you even need it for other little critters, you've got that too. Hope this helps.